This is today's look. It's pretty easy, simple. Keep watching if you want to find out how to do this. Well, more so the eyes. Focus on the eyes. Welcome back, everybody. Today I am going to focus on an everyday eyeshadow kind of eye look that is not too dramatic, but just pretty subtle for something that you'd want to do every single day. So let's get started. First, we've got to start with the eyebrows. I really want to get micro needling. Is it micro needling? What is it called? Yeah, I think it's called micro needling when you get your eyebrows filled in. I'm really going to start looking into it. I went on Facebook and I asked around if there was a good place that people recommended, and I started doing the research, but I never finished doing the research. Alright, after I use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, I go back in with the Anastasia, what is it called, Brow Wiz, and first I comb them out, and then I go with the little pencil and fill in where I missed. Eyebrows are done. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of concealer and highlight underneath my eyebrows to brighten up my eyebrow bone a bit. It just makes things brighter. Just a little bit, like that much. And then I take a little brush. Found it. This brush, and it's real dirty, but you know, you get the point. Alright, eyebrow has been brightened a little bit. Now I'm going to do some eyeshadow. So sometimes I use a base for eyeshadow, sometimes I don't. Today I don't feel like it, so I'm not going to. I only use eyeshadow bases whenever I am going somewhere and I really want my eyeshadow to stay on all night, but for something like this every day, no, I don't use eyeshadow bases. So I'll save that for another day. First, I'm going to take my transition color, which is going to go in the middle, and I am using Saddle by MAC as my transition color for the middle. Right there in the center of the eye, just like that. This helps bring everything together. Now let's do the other eye. Boom. All right, today I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. So this palette isn't very new or anything like that, and I've kind of stopped buying new palettes because these things are expensive. So I feel like utilize what I have. So what I'm going to use, I think I want to kind of keep it pretty subtle today. So on my lid, I think I'm going to use Primavera, this little gold color right here on my lid. And then maybe use this dark brown right here to kind of smoke it up a little bit. And that's pretty much it. So taking the Primavera, always blow it or shake it or something, because if not, you're gonna have a mess everywhere. Alright, so now I've put that all over my lid. This is the thing. You cannot walk around like this. It's not blending, it doesn't look nice. So we've got to blend it together to make it look nicer. So what I'm gonna do is go back to that same brush that I used to put on that transitional color right here, and I'm going to now blend as if I was putting that same middle transitional eyeshadow that I put on first. I'm going to put that back. See how it blends now? Do you see the difference between the eyes? You have to go back and blend it. If you don't blend it, you just look like you just sat some eyeshadow on top of your eye. You've got to go back and blend it together so it can just be smooth and seamless. Alright. Next, what I'm going to do is use that dark brown color I was saying. It's called Cypress Umber right here. And I'm going to use that on the outside just to kind of spring in a smoke to my eyeshadow look for today. This gives a little bit of drama, not too much though. Starting from the outer corner and just kind of bringing it in towards the gold. All right, there we go. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use one more color to kind of blend everything together, because I feel like right here at the top of this transitional color, it's too harsh. So I'm going to use a lighter color, probably from this palette. There's a warm top right here, and this color will help kind of blend those two items together, where the concealer is to where that middle transitional color is. I'm going to use the same brush I just used for the Cypress Umber darker color. It doesn't really matter, it'll be fine. Just kind of right up here, blend that together. And there we go. Eyeshadow's done. Next what I'm gonna do is I think I'm not gonna do top eyeliner. I think I'm just gonna do mascara, lashes, and a bottom eyeliner today. Let's start with my lashes. First, you gotta put mascara on. I've been using Essence I Love Extreme Volume Mascara in Waterproof. I got this from Ulta. Never heard the brand before, but I really, really do like them. All right, so I've done my eyelashes for my mascara on the top. I'm gonna go back and do the bottom after I put on my false eyelashes. All right, the eyelashes that I use on a day-to-day basis that I swear by and I love are Ardell is the brand, and these are wispies that I'm gonna put on. They look like this. I buy a multi-pack. They're very cheap. I think they're like $10 at the grocery store. And there's wispies. So these wispies are a little bit longer, and then if you don't like them so long, you can use demi wispies. I switch it up between them both. But these are literally like my everyday eyelashes that I love. I use Duo Dark Tone Glue. I like it because it kind of looks like an eyeliner, and it just dries and it peels off easily. I've honestly never really tried another brand of glue. Well, actually that's not true. The brands that I've tried before, I just didn't like them. All right, that eyelash is done. Now for the other side. All right, that eyelash is on now too. Now I'm done with my eyes. I'm going to put a little bit of bottom eyeliner on and some bottom mascara, and then I'm just gonna complete my face. By the way, this is one of my favorite eyeliners for your waterline. Smashbox Always Sharp Waterproof Kohl Liner. Good stuff. And my eyes are done. Since my eyes are done, I'm gonna go ahead and just fix my face now and put some foundation on with highlighter contour really fast, and that's it. By the way, if you're wondering what this is I'm putting on my face, it's primer. This is Smashbox Pore Minimizing Primer. My verdict is still out on it because I don't really know how well it works. I just use it because I still have it, but I don't know. I always buy the really small ones like this size to test them out to see what I think before I spend $30 on a bigger one. So I just don't know yet. I'll keep you posted on a good primer.